Asher is a small company based in San Francisco, and we're developing a pipeline of cis-targeted immunotherapies. Cis-targeting means that we're able to bind to two different receptors on a single cell. One of those receptors is specific for the type of cell, and the other receptor is to trigger downstream effects. Asher was looking for another CDMO, one that could take later stage programs as well as early stage programs. And I had worked with Lonza in the past, was really impressed with them, but had some reservations. They wouldn't necessarily be the right choice for Asher at this stage in our journey. But we had an account manager who was reaching out to me and having conversations, and managed to convince me that, yep, Lonza had changed. They were much more interested in very early stage companies, ones that didn't have a huge pipeline at this point. So we looked at Lonza, we looked at multiple other ones, we did a thorough analysis, and based on what Asher needed, what our programs needed, what our pipeline needed, we determined that Lonza was the best fit for us. It wasn't a case of I was reaching out to them asking for, they were really coming to us and really wanting to work with us as a new company, as an emerging biotech. From the time that we started having serious discussions about building a proposal that would allow us to do the decision making to choose a CDMO, they were very engaged with us. Because of our fusion proteins, there were more elements that had to go into the proposal, and there was more technical evaluation from their experts. The proposals manager, the account manager brought in the right experts to help us build a proposal that really worked. And at no point did they ever say, oh, we don't think we can do that, that's outside what we want to do, or anything along those lines. A lot of times people think that big CDMOs are rigid, only interested in the large customer, don't care too much about small companies that have smaller projects that maybe will come and go and won't give them consistent revenue as they work with them. But I've never experienced any of that with Lonza. Lonza has always treated us as we were just as important as any of their other customers, and whenever I've had any problem, I haven't had any issues in getting to a resolution by working through all of the folks that are there to help us at Lonza.